Hi everyone! We have here a LC300. This is the GR Sports Edition. We upgrade the wheels to 20-inch Bradley Takumi in matte titanium. Wrap in BF Goodrich KO2 tires. See the flush from the unit. Perfect stance. We also upgrade the FOGLAMP bulb to yellow. For a brighter during night. Guys, simplicity is the best. If you like how we modified cars here, feel free to message me. And please subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, PRS CAR ACCESSORIES and Services. See you here, guys. Stay dry always. Bye!